Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, we are going to learn how to make text animations in Figma. This is not that much hard work, but you have to be super careful about how to name your, let's say, frames, how to name your, let's say, components, and we are going to get back to our Figma again. So come with me. Well, as you can see, we are on the Figma. We are writing something by adding the text on our, animations that we made. Maybe you have learned it earlier that how to make it. And then we are writing something like I'm writing here, hello, welcome back, something, something. There was a mistake while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna do it one by one. Hello, just one section of this, text. And again, I'm typing in welcome back or welcome, whatever you want, you can do it. It's up to you. So while I'm writing it, I make sure that they are, separated, not within something together. And then I'm choosing my size. Let's do as we wish for. It's up to you, whatever you want, whatever the font you can choose. I'm choosing it to make it a little bit fancier. So I'm making it rectangle, like a frame, and I'm, putting it back to my text. And then I am, making my text appeared on the uh, rectangle for both. But what am I going to do is super duper important. I might do some mistakes, and it's so obvious that when we are, yeah, I am doing some masking here. See, I am going to choose my text, and then I think I'm just trying to figure out what to do. I am trying to, lock the frame first, and then I am trying to mask my text and rectangle together. So that worked. But that might be doing it alone, not together. See? When we are doing it together, that's why I said that you have to do your text separately, not together. So do them and make them components. Components. Yeah. I'm trying to find the component. Sometimes I get so confused. This is my component. Yeah. Make them components. And then I am going to do my variants. I'm waiting for myself to figure out what I'm going to do. It's a little bit, confusing for me. By the way, I made this video earlier and now I'm making a voice recorder on it. Make me come up. And yes, I think I found it. So we're gonna do some components here, one by one, not together. And then we're gonna make them variants. So I'm waiting for myself to figure out what I'm doing. It's a bit mess. Yes. And then I'm going to do the variant as you can see. And I'm copying it again for 3 for the action. And moving it to my canvas. And then what am I going to do is super important. While I am hiding the word, the text, I have to hold the space bar. Okay, hold the space bar, drag it, and do the action. Hold the space bar, drag it, and do the action. So, how is it going to work? It is again by prototyping. You have to prototype every single work that you did. By prototyping, you are going on Shift E for prototyping. You can go actually the side of this design, find it. And I'm doing smart animation, using out and back. And for both, I'm doing the same thing. And yes. That is my timing for this, but it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. And then I'm going to my assets. I'm choosing my text and putting it there. It's not seen, but it's okay. But it's gonna be seen when I'm previewing it. You're gonna see yours that when you preview it, preview. And let's see what's gonna happen in our preview. So, click. Yeah, this is what is going to happen. But I think I broke some. Yeah. Timing was not good. That's why the problem was with the timing. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. It was a bit mess, but anyway, hope this. Well, everyone, as I said, I have another video which you can go back and see. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow for more and share it with your designer friends. I am so excited to share with you that I have started my new path in the long way, and I'm going to share it with you on my shorts and also on my videos. See you soon. Bye bye.